Hey T-Bays, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are reviewing this beautiful wig that I'm wearing. Keep on watching if you want to hear more about this completely glueless and super effortless wig. This wig is from LuvMe Hair, so thanks to them for sending it over. So we're going to start with a quick unboxing. Of course, they sent over some extra goodies in the box. We've got this dust bag, card, hairbrush, this really nice silicone wig grip, a wig cap, and a user's guide. And of course, the wig. Okay, so this is their Water Wave C-Part Glueless Undetectable Minimalist Lace Wig with Bangs. It is 100% human hair in the color black. It's 150% density with a 6.5-inch C-part on the left side. It comes with what they call a minimalist lace area. So it has 4 inches of HD lace along the pre-bleached hairline. Comes with a standard medium cap size, a comb in the back, 2 combs on the sides, an adjustable strap, and an elastic band. It comes in 8 and 10 inches. Mine is in the 8-inch length, which I think was a really great length for me in this style. This wig frames the face with the curls and the side bang that it comes with, and it has a really nice volume to it without it being too thick or too thin. She's super lightweight, which makes her great for summer styling and the hot weather that a lot of us are having right now. Now I did choose to define the curls. I just added some water to the wig, then applied some of my Motions mousse. And because this wig is completely glueless and so easy to style, it is very beginner friendly. Now, of course, with a little bit more effort, you can definitely lay and slay this wig to an extra degree. But the main point with this review is just that you do not have to do that at all. Like, you could literally throw this on your head and walk out the door. You don't even really need to add product and define the curls if you don't want to. You could just rock it with a more tousled, kind of carefree look. When I added the mousse, the curls were super juicy and bouncy and voluminous. Look at these curls. They are beautiful, okay? This wig is constructed with LuvMe's Undetectable lace. It's super transparent to help your wig melt easier and to make your wig application effortless. So the next thing I did was cut off the lace on this wig, and if we could just take a look at this lace again, I was so impressed with it. With it sitting on this mannequin head, you almost can't even tell that the lace is still on. So really good lace. I went ahead and cut it off and then started to apply the wig. Now to apply this wig, I really just plopped it on my head. That's it. As you can see, I didn't add any glue, spray, or adhesive to keep it on. The elastic band is what keeps her in place, and I love that. I am all about convenience. The easier the better, in my opinion. And this really couldn't have gotten any easier, in my opinion. Okay, so I took the wig back off because I wanted to apply the wig without my stocking cap. If you looked closely, you could see that the stocking cap shows through the lace because it is so transparent. So I applied the wig again directly on top of my hair so we wouldn't have that line of demarcation. And again, we see there is no glue, no adhesive, no spray, nothing, and just look how seamlessly the wig blends into my forehead. Like, it's amazing. It's so easy, you guys. And as you can see, there's no lifting. It blends effortlessly. This is truly a throw it and go wig. It makes it extremely easy to just switch up your hairstyle. So I love it. Look how cute. Not to mention the style of the wig is just so cute. This bob style with the side bangs, so cute. And as you can see here as well, I lifted up the wig just so you can see that I do not have it attached to my head in any way besides with the elastic band. We slipped the rat tail comb underneath the wig as well. Amazing. I love it. So as of the day that I looked at the website, this wig is priced at $169, which I think is a really great price, especially for the quality and the ease and versatility of this wig. It truly is ready to go just right out of the box, which makes it super convenient and time saving. I love that. And I really love how versatile and easy to manage this short style is as well. I think any beginner could wear and apply this wig without a problem. Overall, I really liked it. If you are interested in this wig, I will have a link to it in the description box and pinned in the comment section below. Thank you as always for watching. Let me know what you think about the wig down in the comments. Go ahead and like this video before you take off, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!